Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French cooking terms and French names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This is French for mint cream, a type of mint liqueur, if you wish. How do you say it in France? In French, for reference, it is said as crème de menthe, menthe being French for mint, crème de menthe. In English, therefore, it is to be said as crème de menthe, a really mint liqueur. Crème de menthe, from French, crème de menthe. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.